सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः एकोनविंशतितमः पाठः अधीतः। अधुना विंशतितमस्य पाठस्य किञ्चित् अभ्यासं कुर्मः। तत्र शब्दाः सन्ति ऋकारान्तशब्दाः तथा उकारान्तशब्दाः। ऋकारान्तशब्दस्य पंचमी षष्ठी तथा सप्तमी संबोधनञ्च इत्यादीनाम् अध्ययनम् अत्र अस्मिन् पाठे करिष्यते। तथैव उकारान्ताः ये ये शब्दाः पुल्लिङ्ग तथा नपुंसकलिङ्ग शब्दाः तेषामपि अभ्यासः अत्र विधातव्यो वर्तते। साक्षात् अहं स्क्रीन् शेर् करोमि। एकवारं पुल्लिङ्ग कर्तृशब्द इति पश्यामः अथवा नेता शब्दं वयं पश्यामः। सर्वासु विभक्तिषु कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः अथवा नेता नेतारौ नेतारः नेतारं नेतारौ नेतॄन् नेत्रा नेतृभ्यां नेतृभिः नेत्रे नेतृभ्यां नेतृभ्यः नेतुः नेतृभ्यां नेतृभ्यः नेतुः नेत्रोः नेतॄणां नेतरि नेत्रोः नेतृषु हे नेतः हे नेतारौ हे नेतारः इति पुल्लिङ्ग शब्द। तथैव कर्ता शब्द पुल्लिङ्गे अपि भवति। नपुंसकलिङ्गे कर्तृ कर्तॄणि कर्तॄणि कर्तृ कर्तॄणि कर्तॄणि कर्त्रा कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभिः कर्तृणे कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभ्यः कर्तृणः कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभ्यः कर्तृणः कर्तृणोः कर्तॄणां कर्तॄणि कर्तृणोः कर्तृषु हे कर्तर् अथवा हे कर्तः अथवा हे कर्तृ हे कर्तॄणि हे कर्तॄणि इति न्यूट्रल् जेंडर मध्ये। गुरु शब्दः अधीतः तस्यापि किञ्चित् पश्यामः। गुरुः गुरु गुरवः गुरुं गुरु गुरून् गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरोः गुर्वोः गुरूणां गुरौ गुर्वोः गुरुषु हे गुरो हे गुरु हे गुरवः इति। तथैव मधु मधूनि मधूनि मधु मधूनि मधूनि मधुना मधुभ्यां मधुभिः मधुने मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः मधुनः मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः मधुनः मधुनोः मधुनां मधुनि मधुनोः मधुषु हे मधो हे मधु हे मधूनि हे मधुनि हे मधूनि इति। एवमेव उकारान्त न्यूट्रल् जेंडर नपुंसकलिङ्गानां रूपाणि भवन्ति। अधुना अग्रे शब्दकोशः वर्तते। आकारान्त अनुज्ञा इति शब्द रमावत् प्रचलति। अनुज्ञा इत्यस्य परमिशन् इति अर्थः। अप्रियः इति विशेषणं वर्तते इति कृत्वा त्रिषु अपि लिङ्गेषु अस्य रूपाणि प्रचलन्ति। अप्रियः इति पुल्लिङ्गे अप्रिया इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे अप्रियम् इति न्यूट्रल् जेंडर मध्ये। अर्जुनः पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः। नेम ऑफ वन ऑफ द सन्स ऑफ पांडु और द पांडु पंडु सन ऑफ पंडु। अलंघनीयः that cannot be transgressed. अलम इनफ। ततः अवस्तु अवस्तु इत्यस्य अर्थः not a thing or an unreal thing. Avastvarupah, ascribing something that is not real. Adarah, respect. Aropah, ascribing. Aryah, respectable person, or the name of the remote ancestor of the Hindus. इच्छा, wish, इंदुः मून पुल्लिंग शब्दः अस्ति, गुरुवत् प्रचलति. उत्कंठा, एंजाइटी. उत्साहः, हैप्पीनेस, चेयरफुलनेस, एनर्जी. कर्णः, नेम ऑफ अ हीरो. कलंकः, स्टेन्स, अ स्पॉट. कारुण्यम, कंपैशन और द काइंडनेस. कुरु, कुरुः. कुरवः, बहुवचने एव अयं शब्दः भवति. नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री. कृतज्ञता, ग्रेटिट्यूड. कृपा, फेवर. ज्ञातिः, रिलेशन. तनुः, द तनु शब्द इज अ एडजेक्टिव, सो पुल्लिंगे तनुः, न्यूट्रल जेंडर मध्ये तनु एव, स्त्रीलिंगे अपि तनु. किन्तु तत्र यथा विशेष्यपदं तथा विशेषणस्य गतिर्भवति. तूलः, तूलः कॉटन. द्विजः, द्विजन्मा, वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट थ्री कास्ट, सो ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय, वैश्य. They are called द्विज. Why they are called द्विज? Because द्विजन्मा, डबल जन्म उनका होता है. नप्तृ, नप्तृ ग्रैंडसन. निर्बंधः, इम्पॉर्चुनिटी. निशितः, शार्प. पथ्यम, a wholesome thing. पशुः, beast. पातः, fall or the falling. पितृव्यः means the maternal uncle. Paternal uncle, sorry. Paternal uncle, पितृव्यः. बंधुः, relation. भारतवर्षीयः, a native of भारतवर्ष or India. भूतम, creature, an animal. भ्रातृ, brother. मदः, intoxication or the insolation. मुख्यः, adjective, मुख्या, मुख्यम. मृगः, deer. मृत्युः, death. रघुः, the descendant of a king named Raghu. Rama, name of a woman. Lakshmi, wife of Vishnu, goddess of wealth. Langhate, transgress, to overcome. Vakta अथवा वक्तृ is a original word, so speaker. Vaktru, even it is in neuter gender. Vastu is a neuter gender noun. A thing, a real thing is called Vastu, or Brahma also referred through Vastu Shabda. Varta, intelligence, news, account. Vibhavah, wealth, riches. Vaikuntham, neuter gender noun. Name of the celestial above of the god Vishnu. Shrotru, pullinge api bhavati, napumsaklinge api bhavati. Hearer, hearer, listener iti kurmah vayam. Sadhu, a sage, a man of pity, is called sadhu, a good person. Srashtu, srashta iti pullinge, srashtu iti napumsaklinge bhavati. अधुना वाक्यानि साक्षात् कुर्मः. तरोः पुष्पाण्यपतन्.
So from the trees, flowers fell.
तरोः पुष्पाणि अपतन्. शम्भोः कृपया कल्याणं भवति.
By the grace of God, welfare happens.
गुरुणामादेशाननुरुध्यामहे. पदच्छेद.
Gurunam Adeshan Anuruddhyamahe. So we obey the Adeshas of our Guru or
साधव
teacher.
हम्म
Guru is plural, right? So Adeshas of our teachers, commands of our teachers.
हम्म साधवो मृत्युर्भयं न गणयन्ति
So I did not know how to put Ganayanti in there, but sages or pious people do not fear death.
no,
What
no,
is the meaning of
they don't count,
don't? Okay, so Ganayanti is literally to count.
not literally count means I don't care, I don't count that way, I
So
don't care about this person, we say, right, that kind of thinking saying even I don't count him ऐसा बोलते हैं ना हम तो उस अर्थ
so what we are trying to say is that they don't care about death.
हाँ
But the word we use, if we are saying it in Sanskrit, is na Ganayanti or Ganayanti.
हम्म।
Thank you.
पितरी रामस्य परम आदरः विसर्ग ड्रॉप्ड विसर्गे परमः आदरः परम आदर इति अभूत
For his Pita. Rama has great respect for his father.
विश्वस्य स्रष्टुरिच्छालङ्घनीया
Vishwasya Srashtuhu Ichha Alanghaniya. The wish, Srushtra. Shrushtru. So, wish of the creator, the universe's creator, cannot be transgressed.
विश्वस्य स्रष्टुः इच्छा अलङ्घनीया इति अग्रिमम् द्वेष्टॄणामुत्साहं न सहते
I think I can say it. I don't know. I couldn't come up with it properly, but I said he does not bear haters' enthusiasm or happiness.
Utsahah also means enthusiasm, or here the word was utsahah, right? When, happiness, cheerfulness, and energy. So, dveshtrunam utsaham na sahate. Saha dveshtrunam utsaham na sahate. So, basically, same thing. So, he do not bear the happiness of dveshtu haters. Indau kalanko drishyate.
On the moon, a spot is visible or seen.
Seen.
Seen, okay.
Drishyate. Next. Rama snehena vartate.
Rama is friendly with relatives.
Madhuni madhuryam asti.
In madhu there is sweet. In honey there is sweetness.
Madhuni madhuryam asti. Nrushu dvijah sreshtah.
Among people, Brahmanas are superior.
Datrubhyo dhanam labhante.
They enjoy, dhanam is wealth from their donors.
No, enjoy. Why enjoy?
Labhante.
Labhante doesn't mean to enjoy. Labhate means to
Obtain.
Sorry, they obtain wealth from their donors.
Kurubhyo duta agaccha.
I wrote messenger came from Kuru country.
Kuru country, correct. So Kuru Shabda is always used in plural. So Kurubhyah. Kuru country.
Kuru country. Okay.
Sandhis, etc. I think you know, right? So I am not again focusing upon rules. So,
Yeah,
Dutah.
I did write Kurubhyaha Dutaha Agachat.
So Kurubhyah Dutah Agachat. That is correct. Pitruvyah Pitur Bhrata.
Uh, uh, a father's brother is called paternal uncle.
वस्तुन्यवस्त्वारोप अज्ञानम इति उक्तम. ओके
No,
अध्यारोप.
I wrote, okay.
हाँ.
I wrote as Vastuni Avastu Aropaha Agnanam. Ignorance in the object ascribing a in the non-object ascribing a object is ignorance. I don't know. I didn't get it right.
This ascribing unreal thing upon real thing or the real thing upon unreal thing is called ajnanam. So basically here in this case vastuni.
Vastuni is a real thing, huh? Real object. No, real.
Okay, real vastu matlab a brahma. Unreal thing is called jagat. So ascribing jagat upon brahma is that prakriya is called adhyaropa, and that adhyaropa also is nothing but ajnanam only. Adhyaropapavadabhyam brahma prabodayet iti bhavati khalu. So in Vedanta prakriya, whenever the teacher teaches the concept of Brahma cannot be ascribed without attributes. So to build the background, build the base, what Guru does is he will say there is a Jagat. Then there is a creator also, and all kind of Panchikaranam they will do from Brahma or from Ishvara. Maya came from Maya. All the Pancha Tanmatras and Panchabhutas, and from Pancha Mahabhutas the Sthul, Sukshma and Karan, all the kind of bodies came. Then again the Panchakosha and the Tri Sharira, Tri Avastha, all these things they will describe. And then there are, that is called Vastuni, Avastu Aro. And then they will, when the base is created, the students is ready to see the things, then they will say, oh, there is no world. That is called apavada. So adhyaropa first they will do, then later they will do apavada. That is called adhyaropa apavada prakriya. This thing, this line you will find in Vedanta Sara if you have studied. Vastuni avastvaropah adhyaropah. Adhyarop, the word you will find, not ajnanam. Here they have put as ajnanam. Okay. Next. Bahvor balena prithvimajayat.
So he conquered or won the earth by his balena, by the strength of his arms.
2 arms. Bahvor balena. भीमस्य भ्रातरि अर्जुने कर्णो बाणानुञ्चत. पदच्छेदः आवश्यकः.
भीमस्य भ्रातरि अर्जुने कर्णोः बाणान् अमुञ्चत.
कर्णोः इति भवति वा?
No, there is no. That's why I didn't understand. I don't know how to do that padacheda there. Karnaha.
कर्णः इति वक्तव्यम्.
But I don't know how it became utvasandhi.
उत्वसन्धि यदा विसर्गस्य प्राक् ह्रस्वाकारो वर्तते, विसर्गात् परं ह्रस्वाकार अथवा मृदुव्यञ्जनम् अस्ति, तदा विसर्गस्थाने उत्वम् पूर्व अकारेण मिलित्वा गुणादेशो भवति कर्णो इति संजातम्.
So I wrote on Bhima's brother Arjuna, arrows were released from Karna.
The arrows were released from Karna upon the Bhima's
Upon
hmm,
brother Arjuna.
Okay, Karna releases the arrows upon Bhima's brother Arjuna.
Okay.
That way will
Because
Kartarina.
it is not Karna, it is Karna. Okay.
Okay. तूलस्य राशावग्नेरिव मृदुनि मृगस्य शरीरे निशितस्य बाणस्य पातः भवति.
Yeah, this was a little complicated. So
Hmm.
I didn't finish the sentence actually. So on the so mrudu is soft, right? On the soft body of mrugasya sharire, and then I put dash dash dash. And Tulasya is arrow, right?
No, but I think you're taking two sentences. I just said Tulasya Rasho Agnerivam Mruduni. I stopped there. I didn't know that there was that.
That's it. This is completing up to Banasya Patah. They are just comparing two things. Like what? Like the Banasya Patah, right? So falling off the arrows upon falling off the Nishita means sharpened arrows upon Mrigasya Sharira, the body of deer, is like Tulasya Rashau Agnehe Patanam Iva. So basically, it is like हिंदी में बताता हूँ, मृग के शरीर के ऊपर तीक्ष्ण बाणों का पात कैसा है, तो बोलते हैं जैसे किसी कॉटन पे अग्नि का पतन हो, वो जैसे क्षण में नष्ट हो जाता है, वैसे ही यदि मृग के शरीर के ऊपर बाण गिरता है, इन द सेंस इफ समबडी किल्स, तो वो मरता है, दूसरा कुछ नहीं होता. तो उन्होंने थोड़ा कंपेयर करने का प्रयास किया.
So Tula is cotton then.
तूल कापूस बोलते मराठी में, हिंदी में करपास के ऊपर थोड़ा सा अग्नि, एक जो ऑफिस बॉक्स की एक थोड़ी सी तीली लगाए, तो वो कितना बड़ा भी कर्पूर क्यों ना हो, कितना बड़ा भी करपास क्यों ना हो, वो एक क्षण में नष्ट हो जाता है. ऐसे ही मृग तीक्ष्ण बाण यदि उसके शरीर पे पड़ता है तो वो भी नष्ट होता है. द फॉलोइंग ऑफ द शार्प on the soft body of deer is like the fire falling upon cotton iti.
Okay.
Tanu
I got it all wrong.
ज्ञाति भी
I have a question. I have a question regarding the word Nishita. To me, Nishi always was night. Here you said Nishita is sharp.
Nisha is called night.
Nisha. My God.
Nishita शब्द you hear in Mundaka. क्षूरस्य धारा निशिता दुरत्यया दुर्गम पथस्तत् कवयो वदन्ति उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरान् निबोधत क्षूरस्य धारा निशिता दुरत्यया दुर्गम पथः कवयो वदन्ति इति. मुंडकोपनिषदि अयं शब्दः आयाति, निशिता दुरत्या. अस्तु. तनुषु विभवेषु ज्ञातिभिः त्यज्यन्ते नराः.
So I wrote Jatibhihi tanushu vibhaveshu naraha tyajyante. The like tanushu is small amount. Vibhava is money.
Hmm.
So Jatibhihi is relation. So I wrote like by the relation with the small amount of money, people abandon relation on small amount of money.
कर्मणि प्रयोग है. सो नराः त्यज्यन्ते, द पीपल और द people are being or are abandoned by their relatives when there is a lack of or the तनु मतलब small amount of vibhava,
Well,
wealth. Even मोहमुद्गरं पश्यामः भज गोविन्दं तत्रापि इयम् उच्यते खलु. काते धनगतचिन्ता मातुल किं तव नास्ति नियन्ता इति किञ्चित् वर्तते. धनगतचिन्ता. पुनश्च काते कान्ताकस्ते पुत्रः संसारोऽयम् अतीव
Ativa
विचित्रः.
vichitra.
बहुदिनानि जातानि न स्मरामि अधुना. अस्तु. पशुष्वपि कृतज्ञता दृश्यते.
gratitude is seen even in animals.
श्रोतॄणां निर्बन्धात् कथामारभत. कथाम् आरभत.
Okay, I couldn't understand properly. I wrote Shrotrunam is as listeners. Began story from essay.
No, nirbandha doesn't mean nibandha. Nirbandha means importunity.
Oh, I don't know.
Nirbandha, not nibandha. So,
Nirbandha.
He told he told a story due to the nirbandha of his listeners, meaning
he started the story. He started the katha
Arabha.
by the or the from the nirbandha, importunity of listeners. Importunity means
request, I believe.
request. Nirbandha means request, right? अप्रियस्या. क्षम्यतां, वदतु.
Nothing. I was just saying, when people say it multiple times, there's a pressing request. Please kindly.
निर्बंध शब्द हिंदी में भी वैसे ही यूज करते हैं ना. कि निर्बंध के कारण मैं अभी मेरा भाषण 2 मिनट में समाप्त करता. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं होता, उल्टा होता. अप्रियस्यापि पथ्यस्य वक्तृणि मित्रे अलम क्रोधेन.
So friends who speak unpleasant, don't get angry on them.
Though he says a priya thing, but if it is pathya, if he is saying something good for, then don't get angry upon that kind of friend. ऐसा ही मीनिंग है ना. अप्रिय जो हमें पसंद नहीं. अरे वो मित्र बोलता है आकर के भाई रात भर जगा मत करो, जल्दी सोया करो, अच्छा है. ऐसे मित्र के ऊपर हमें क्रोध नहीं करना चाहिए.
Wow, I didn't get it. Oh, wow.
अप्रियस्य अपि किन्तु पथ्यस्य वक्तॄणि. He is saying something good, right? Pathyasya vaktruни. He says about something good. So don't get angry upon him. Alam krodhena. Enough of getting angry upon that friend. So vaktruni mitre is some same case, same vibhakti. नप्तुर्लाभे अतीव उत्कंठा भारतवर्षीयाणाम. This sentence is nice.
Utkantha is anger. Is that what they said? Utkantha?
Not angry.
Desire. Longing, I think.
Utkanta means
Longing.
longing. Here the word kanta is mentioned as anxiety or the longing. So longing is good. What do you want? Do you want grandson or granddaughter?
Right.
तो भारतवर्ष
You're asking me?
हाँ
I'm going to have a grandson now.
असी भारतवर्ष नपुरलाभे अतीव उत्कंठा.
What does that mean?
Naptru is grandson, Labhe is obtaining, Ativa is extreme, Utkantha is longing, Bharatavarshiyanam meaning people of India. So Indian people have a longing to obtain a grandson. That is what the sentence means.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I agree with that, right?
That is not good thing.
Indians in India they always have to have a son.
सन फर्स्ट, बाद में वो कोई लड़की हो जाए तो उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन पहला उनको सन ही चाहिए. पता नहीं क्या करते हैं सन पाके, लेकिन है ऐसा. परमं कारुण्यं साधूनां भूतेषु.
Okay. Paramam karunyam sadhunam bhuteshu. The supreme compassion.
साधूनां भूतेषु परमं कारुण्यं भवति.
Sadhus have supreme compassion on the beings.
On beings, creatures, animals. कन्यां जामातुर गृहं नयति.
He Nayati is what brings.
No.
He leads. He leads. Carries.
It carries. He takes away.
He carries his daughter to his son-in-law's house.
Okay. Rama was the chief of the Raghus.
I didn't make any of these sentences. I only stopped at that. Rama was the chief of the Raghus. Ragoho, Ramaha, Ragoho, Nayakaha Asit.
Okay, Prarthana ji, what do you think?
I did not use the word Nayakaha. I said Ramaha, Raghunam, Mukhyaha or Pradhanatam. That's the word.
So, Mukhyaha is good word here in this case. Ramah Raghushu अथवा रघूणां मुख्यः इति वक्तव्यं. सप्तमी अपि षष्ठी अपि शक्यते.
Raghunam or Raghushu.
Raghushu, among Raghus, and also of Raghus. So of they have used. So let's say Raghunam Ramah Sreshtah Mukhyah iti.
If I use in singular, can I say Ragoho?
Raghus they are saying, right? Ragoho is fine.
But if I say Raghu, is that the right
yes.
declension? Raghoho.
Yes. I got a book from the author.
Aham lekhakat pustakam alabhe.
लेखकात् पुस्तकम् अलभे.
Can we also use kartuhu because he's a karta of something, or is that wrong? Because it's kartuhu is also correct.
हाँ. रचयितृ रचयितुः इति पंचमी अपि शक्यते. ग्रंथ रचयितुः अहं ग्रंथम् अथवा पुस्तकम् अलभे. लक्ष्मी was a wife of Vishnu. एतत्तु सरलं वर्तते.
विष्णोः लक्ष्मीः विष्णोः पत्नीः आसीत्.
पत्नी आसीत्. लक्ष्मीः
पत्नी
विष्णोः पत्नी आसीत्. लक्ष्मीः शब्दः तत्र विसर्गः भवति प्रथमा एकवचने लक्ष्मीः, किन्तु पत्नी शब्द तु नदीवत्. लक्ष्मी शब्दः विशेषः शब्दः.
तो लक्ष्मीः विष्णोः पत्नी आसीत्
इति भवति. He begged of his hearers.
अभवत्. What did you say, Prarthana ji?
I said, can we use bharya as well instead of patni?
Yes, yes. भार्या, कान्ता, दाता यत्किमपि शक्यते. पत्नी. He begs pardon of his hearers.
Saha shrotrunam with the dirghatru, shrotrunam kshama yachate.
क्षमाम याचत.
Right. Kshama ko yachata hai.
Next. Janaka, the chariot of his grandsons.
Oh, Janakaha. What is grandson? Just now we said
Naptru.
Naptru is the word.
Naplunam. Ratham apashyat.
Ratham apashyat. Next. Narayana saw the horses of Hari's son-in-law.
Narayana harehe jamatrunam ashwan apashyat.
जामातॄणाम् इति बहुवचनं कथम्? जामातुः. जामातुः अश्वान् अपश्यत् इति वक्तव्यम्. Asa lived in Kuruz.
Aryaha Kurushu deshe avasat.
Aryahan avasan iti sadhu.
Kurushu.
Say that again.
Aryaha Kurushu avasan.
Kurushu avasan. Yeah.
A parrot sat on the tree.
Shukaha vrukshe upavishat.
A servant of Hari's grandson went to the village.